Where to? Where to?
Okay, gotta pause. Gotta pause. Pause. University.
Okay.
That's great though to see justice. Do you think those are like employees that were helping each other? That's why you swam over.
That I don't know.
It was just a race thing.
I think it's just a race thing.
F2.
Oh, we only have 3?
Oh no.
Awful tap. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Got abandoned.
What was it? What was? I don't even know who he was. I didn't even see his name. Someone opened the box over there.
I opened it. I was there.
Was it? Oh, okay. I'm like, yo.
Oh, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm flying.
Oh. I still want to live. Oh, good.
Enemies located.
掉咗個 portable bar 喺頂樓。
Okay.
Garage 嗰個。
Friendly buy station is ready. Be advised, you have teammates outside the safe zone.
How we doing this? Couldn't make my head.
Putting an armor box. Popping UAV.
Requesting recon flyover.
Copy. UAV orbiting the AO. Recon is online.
Resurgence boxes give me money. Oh damn, we missed the taxi. That would have been.
Contract failed. You're out of time.
Someone just dropped in to one of our corners.
Okay. We got enough.
UAV is exiting the AO.
The enemy
Oh, never mind. You floated across.
You're safe.
Do we buy or do we just go to that one?
Is it a close one? Nah, we could buy
Not
first.
really.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll try to find our way back up.
I'll drop my money.
Got cash here.
Where's the rope? Oh, here's the rope.
Moving.
我掉咗錢喺個巴隔離，12000幾。
喂喂喂
我 我有個 armor box。
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
No.
Hostile UAV in this sector.
哦，
Or two.
Kinda
我哋
sucks.
仲有條拉喺度而家。
We could try go there first, maybe.
Okay. I'm gonna fly over.
Oh, it dipped on me. I'll see you guys there. Fuck it. I was spamming up. I was like, oh, why is it not letting me? And then it broke slides up.
Hostile UAV overhead.
Planting mine! Setting mine!
I hear a lot of smoke stuff.
Requesting recon at my location!
Hostile UAV
哦，喺個 low out 嗰邊。
Here by the graveyard.
呢個係 quad 定係 shield 嚟？
Quad.
OK。
We were abandoned.
UAV is being fuel. RTB at this time.
Hostile UAV in this sector.
Hello.
I'm dropping an extra self for the armor.
Okay. I also have extra self.
Move to the safe zone.
Deploying portable radar!
Hostile UAV overhead.
Shit.
Smoke down there.
Take some money. So take some money.
哦，等我陣，我要買嘅宵夜。
Market side's busy. Very busy.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Yeah. Hey, we're so good.
Yeah, this road to. Wow, we're still good.
Fire
So
sale
much fighting going on there.
buy station prices have been reduced.
Enemy here!
Graveyard team.
Hostile UAV active. Hostile UAV in this sector. Hostile UAV active.
Someone's dropping in.
Market team still there.
Get ready.
Did that for you.
You're literally camping.
Hunt them down.
Chief.
Fire sales over. Adjusting prices.
When I shoot right here, do you see the weeds?
Yes. Hey, even the wall thing is sweet.
Yeah. Full of
Very cool. Graveyard team is still chilling. Market team still chilling.
Enemy marked.
Oh, I see.
Advise you move to the safe zone now.
Got an enemy here. Vámonos. Got movement. Disregard that.
Are they moving? Oh, okay. Crack one.
Copy that.
Resurgence has been deactivated. This is the end.
Oh. You'll have to stick to this little spot.
It's getting clustered.
I went down.
Okay.
You said market side was busy though, right?
Yeah, the last scene there
Oh,
was a
shit.
team on through
Yeah, I see
there.
him right there. Do we fight over
We're pushing
there or
one,
fight
right?
to the water? Either pushing one or straight to there or something. Your call. There's for sure a squad at one already. At the old one.
Okay. Oh, he's up there. Okay. Yeah. We need to take the other one.
Gas is inbound.
They're
Okay.
settled there. I'm moving.
Move to the safe zone.
No, is he taking our building? I'm stuck. Water. We can just stay here for now.
Boathouse.
Boathouse. Still a lot of people. 30. 1.
Planting mine.
Someone on the other side looking. Maybe in the water. Oh, hey there. Behind the car.
Yo, someone's sneaking in! Anyway.
Planting mine.
Oh, I lost sight of the other guy.
Stun grenade out.
It's in the water.
Oh. Someone's outside of us just looting. I heard him looting on there. Someone's fully loaded gun was just swapped over here. From the outside. He fucked up. It popped through the door.
Okay, what's our plan here?
Oh!
Oh, they're pushing!
Oh, full gun, oh, full gun.
Alright.
Pushing!
I down one.
Finished.
Nice. Plating.
UAV overhead.
An armor box here.
Setting mine.
Watch yourself.
To the safe zone now.
Here's a self-revive. Recon drone online.
Oh, yeah. Oh, not enough space to call in. That's the thing I get.
Tossing smoke grenade.
My
You
left
just take
side's okay.
first floor. Okay, that's it.
Someone jumped in the water here.
Alright, I'm in. I'm in first floor.
Player.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Setting Claymore.
Oh, someone took my Betty? Oh, shit.
No, not me.
Yeah, I think... So ran through it.
Planting Claymore.
This. We move outside to the next building, maybe?
I have footsteps.
Okay.
Outside.
Stun grenade.
Oh fuck! I thought I missed that.
Moving here.
Let's go this side and then we go around to the other building.
Okay.
Yeah. When it moves, then we go. Oh, someone had a clay up there. Careful.
Oh, someone's in.
Down the.
Yo, someone's clay is up there.
I'm moving. I'm moving. Outside. I'm outside.
Yep, same. Someone's here. He went up.
Setting Claymore.
8 enemies.
我用唔到個 flare 啊嗰邊。
I'm already
He's out.
10 or left. Keep the pressure on.
OK OK。
Okay, people jumped off the opposite roof. I think your roof is still occupied.
Okay.
An enemy here. Enemy visual.
Stand a chance, soldier. Kill or be killed. Hostile
I'm on your roof actually.
Watch
Okay.
your skies.
Spotted a hostile here.
Down one.
Nice.
Crack 2.
Stun grenade out.
I'm going up to the roof.
Okay. They're outside. Airstrike, airstrike. My mortar.
Order strike on the way.
In the stairs,
Oh,
in the stairs.
yeah.
That one in the stairs, that one in the stairs.
I
Last guy. In first floor.
Detected. Enemy KIA confirmed.
Play safe.
crack.
That is a win.
Nice.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Oh, that was risky.
Yeah. If you had a gas mask.
Yeah.
I didn't
I was
have
not-
any gun at all.
Yeah, I was dodging my
Really
clusters.
low.
I was gonna put another airstrike on, so they should be all indoors.
It's so bright out of nowhere. Is it for you guys though?